Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome is current and you're in the right profile. This prevents compatibility problems later. Open the Chrome menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome to update. Once updated, sign into the profile where you want the extension installed so settings and sync apply correctly. Next, ensure you have internet access and no corporate or strict firewall rules blocking the web store, otherwise installation will fail. Now, go to the Chrome Web Store to find the extension you need. Search the Chrome Web Store using the exact extension name and check the publisher, rating, and recent reviews to avoid malicious clones. Once you've found the correct item, click Add to Chrome, read the permission list. Permissions explain what the extension can access and why. After confirming, Chrome downloads and installs the extension automatically. Once installed, open the Extensions menu or type Chrome//extensions to enable, disable, or pin the extension to the toolbar, and adjust permissions or match site access as required. After installation, test the extension on a page where it should act so you confirm functionality. If it doesn't work, disable other extensions to rule out conflicts, then restart Chrome and retest. Many failures come from conflicts or outdated browser caches. If installation blocked, check Chrome//settings/content and enterprise policies. Some corporate devices prevent installs. Only install CRX files or use developer mode for extensions you trust. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings or reinstall Chrome to clear corrupted extension data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.